Have you ever wanted to launch your own YouTube channel, but, just stop dead in your tracks? Welcome to The Explainer. If you're like most beginners, you probably thought about the massive production team required, the thousands of dollars you'd need to drop on camera equipment, and the years, literally years, it takes to learn complex video editing. It's incredibly overwhelming, right? That's the exact reason most people never upload their first video. But today, we're going to completely change that reality. We're looking at a super clear, step-by-step beginner's guide on how to build a fully monetized, faceless channel from scratch. And the absolute best part? We're doing the whole shebang using just one powerful tool, Autodraft AI.
Now, this raises a pretty massive question right out of the gate. Can one single person actually replace an entire animation studio? Well, for years, the answer was just a hard no. The barrier to entry was a massive brick wall. If you wanted to start an animated channel, you had to learn intense software, hire expensive illustrators, pay voice actors, and spend days tweaking every single movement. But as we're going to see today, that barrier has completely vanished. You truly don't need deep technical knowledge or a huge team to create high-quality content that actually qualifies for the YouTube Partner Program. No way. If you need proof that you can pull this off completely alone, just look at this number, 126,000. That is the number of subscribers a faceless channel named Jim Jam Toys gained in just 118 videos using these exact methods. They're pulling in millions of views per video. We're talking 3.7 and 4.1 million hits on single uploads. To put that into perspective, that's enough eyeballs to pack out massive sports stadiums over and over again. This highlights the absolute brilliance of a faceless channel. No camera anxiety, no lighting setups, no physical studio. Just you, your laptop, and a massive global audience. And yes, they are fully monetized. This one-person method isn't just a gimmick, it is highly effective. Okay, so here's our beginner's roadmap for today. We're going to cover 1. The one-tool channel secret. 2. Setting up your scene. 3. Animating characters made easy. 4. Generating AI video effects. 5. Adding AI voice and sound. And 6. Packaging and publishing. Let's dive right in. Section 1, the one-tool channel secret. This is all about replacing that specialized team. Autodraft AI is an absolute game changer. Why? Because it literally takes an entire production house and crams it right into a single web browser tab. I mean, think about the money you're saving here. Instead of paying for a bunch of separate subscriptions for animation, AI images, premium voiceovers, and a thumbnail editor, it is all consolidated here. You get a full animation studio, AI image and video generation, incredibly realistic AI voices, a story writer, and even a thumbnail generator. What used to require a team of 5 or 6 expensive specialists is now entirely under your control.
Section 2, setting up your scene. Time to prepare our digital canvas.
Getting started properly is vital, but thankfully, it's incredibly simple. Step 1, you just launch the app directly from their website. Step 2, actually, scratch that. Step 2 is the absolute most important part. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. As a beginner, you gotta know why this matters. 16:9 is the golden standard for YouTube ad formats. If you want to run mid-roll ads and monetize effectively later on, this is the ratio you need. From there, step 3, simply select a background template. In just 3 clicks, you've built your digital stage.
Section 3, animating characters made easy. Let's bring this story to life.
The sheer variety in this character library is just fantastic for a beginner, because you don't need to know how to draw a single line. You simply delete the default characters on your template and drop in whatever fits your specific niche. Want to build a scary storytelling channel? Boom, horror figures are ready to go. Trying to reach an audience with spiritual content? You can drop in beautifully designed deities like Sita or Saraswati Mata. You can even upload your very own custom characters. It's like a giant puzzle where you get to pick all the pieces.
Now, animating these characters is a total breeze. Seriously, imagine trying to make a character walk across a park in traditional software. You'd be tweaking joints frame by frame for hours. Not here. Step 1, select a preset pose like walk, run, or sing. But if they just walk in place, that's kind of useless for a story, right? So step 2, just click the path button on your character. Step 3, grab their shadow and drag it to where you want them to end up. That's it. The software mathematically calculates all the smooth movement from point A to point B for you.
Section 4, generating AI video effects. Time to upgrade to advanced visuals.
If you want to move beyond those pre-made base animations, Autodraft has a super powerful text-to-image AI built right in. You can generate custom backgrounds in realistic, anime, 3D, or cartoon styles. This is great because it lets you totally customize the vibe of your channel. It runs on a really straightforward credit system. Prompt ideas cost just 1 credit, and a full high-quality image is 8 credits. You just type what's in your head, and instantly you have a completely unique background.
But wait, we don't stop at still images. No way. You can actually convert these generated AI backgrounds directly into dynamic 7-second videos. Let's say you generated a picture of a street cafe. You click Animate, type in a custom prompt, and suddenly people in the background are reading newspapers and drinking tea right before your eyes. You can even layer on engaging environmental effects, like changing it from day to night or adding rainy weather. Adding these moving elements tricks the viewer and the algorithm into seeing a high-budget production, keeping them watching longer and boosting your ad revenue.
Section 5, adding AI voice and sound. Let's inject some emotion.
Visuals are really only half the battle. If you're a beginner who's a bit self-conscious about your voice or you don't have a fancy mic, the text-to-voice generator completely removes that hurdle. Take this hilarious script example from the source. Mom, I need 1 lakh rupees for my dog Shrew's haircut, shampoo, and checkup. You can type in highly specific comedic dialogue just like that. Pick the language, gender, and age, and it sounds perfectly natural. It's the perfect tool for a comedy or storytime channel.
And you know, the AI handles deep emotion beautifully too. Whether you're scripting in English or using a heartfelt Hindi script translation like a cup of tea, some friends, and the most peaceful moments of life, the tool adapts seamlessly. What really blew my mind is that you can insert emotion tags directly into the text. You just drop a laugh tag in, and the AI voiceover organically chuckles before speaking the line. It breathes real human life into your faceless channel.
The Audio Studio goes way beyond basic voiceovers. We're talking a copyright-free music library, which is absolutely crucial. As a beginner, your worst nightmare is getting monetized only to get hit with a copyright strike. This library protects you. You can also generate custom AI sound effects, clone your own voice, and, get this, automatically lip-sync the audio to your characters. They actually move their mouths to match the dialogue. It makes your video look incredibly professional with zero extra effort.
Section 6, packaging and publishing. Let's finalize this content.
Let's talk pricing, because it's super accessible for beginners. In the free version, you get smooth animation exports and basic features with 0 credit cost, though there is a small watermark. The paid version unlocks the whole content creation studio, full AI tools for image, video, and voice, with absolutely no watermarks. It's a brilliant setup. It lets you learn the ropes and figure out your niche completely risk-free before deciding to upgrade.
Okay, before you hit publish, you need that final polish. Step 1, generate your AI thumbnail right in the app. Do not sleep on this. On YouTube, a good thumbnail is just as important as the video itself. Step 2, layer in your shapes, background music, and smooth scene transitions on the timeline. Finally, step 3, export your masterpiece directly to your computer in crisp, smooth HD quality. Just like that, you're ready to upload. So, what does this all mean? It means the old barriers to entry are officially gone. You don't need a downtown studio, you don't need a sprawling production team, and you don't need to spend years learning complex software. You just need an idea. With an entire animation studio literally at your fingertips, what story will you tell first? Get out there, start planning your very first monetized channel, and thanks for joining me for this explainer. See you next time.